Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is day 19 of the Advent calendars. I have my 25 days of beauty from Macy's. This was given to me by Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trial Size Life. I almost said that backwards. Laura's Trial Size Life? Cece's the Bargain Hunter? Anyway, y'all, I'm loving this. It's a great Advent calendar. It's made me very, very happy. So we're on day 19. So here it is up here. This is one of those where you're supposed to pinch it on both sides, and if you do it right, you can pull that out of there nicely. Oh, this is something nice, y'all. I'm telling you, this has been such a nice calendar. When I say this is something nice, every day's been something nice. This is the brand Shiseido. Shiseido, can you see it? Hard to see because it's so light. It's called Ultimune, and it is a power infusing concentrate. It says not much else. Okay, so this is something I can look online about, but look at that gorgeous little bottle. Isn't that pretty? I mean, that's a good size. Now that's what I call a deluxe sample. Let's see how it opens. Okay, it's not sealed. It's a twist top. It doesn't really have, it has a little scent, very light, and it's very nice. It's a little floral, but it's a nice, maybe like a water-based cream or an essence or something is what it looks like. I can't see anything. The ingredients are not on here, probably just because it's so small. There's more information on the box. I forget about that, but that is so pretty. I am loving that. It may tell me on the box here, but in the meantime, I'll go on to the cat. I don't see the boys anywhere. Well, I'm not finding it right now, so I'll look at that later. Smudge and Blue. Hello. Okay, anyway, day 19 of the cat calendar is the cat. These are the cutest little cardboards that are popping out. Oops. This is the first time I've had a lot of trouble. There we go. I was gonna say having trouble. Oh, this is adorable. What's inside? This is like a little starlight mint. Isn't that cute, y'all? And it has the whatchamacallit inside. It has that inside. Cute. And if you're following along with the Christmas TH, I have for you the Mud Masky. This is the Moisture Boost Vitamin Boost Feeding, Nourishing, Firming, Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Reduces dark circles. And isn't that adorable? A little starlight mint. You know, I love starlight mints. They're great to carry with you because I get a little cough and tickle in my throat, you know, sometimes, and especially like at church, you don't want to be coughing while they're preaching or anything. So thanks for stopping by to see my Advent calendars, and I hope that y'all are enjoying this holiday season, and count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.